Hey, how you guys doing? So, it's a pretty interesting turn of events. So my first job running my welding rig, my truck's here behind me, is for my C-ticket welding instructor. So in BC, Canada, when you go to welding school, you start out as a C-ticket. Then you get your B, which is your pipe ticket. And then you get your A level, which is your specialty metals endorsement. And so Daryl was my first C-ticket welding teacher, and yeah, he was a good guy. I liked work. I liked going to school with him, and now I get to work with him. So pretty cool turn of events. So we're gonna do a couple buildings on the other side of town, and just a bunch of structural for now. But yeah, I thought it was cool that my first job running a welding rig for myself with a legit company would be my C-ticket welding teacher. So yeah, I'll take you guys along and I'll show you a little bit. Okay, talk to you later. Hey, some days we're building trucks, sometimes we're building buildings. This is what we're up to today. Building this guy. Big steel building. My truck. Beauty old welder. What a great little setup. Oh yeah, we're just building the building. Good morning. Well, we're out on site here. It's about minus 15 out. Celsius, so it's cold. I got my -1 undies on. Oh, can't quite see, but it's cold. It's cold today. We did these buildings. We did this one just before Christmas. So I'll turn this camera around. So we did this building just before Christmas, and now we're over here and we're building this guy. So there's my old rig over there. So yeah, well, I'm gonna be spending my day in the old man lift here, and we're gonna get this building finished. Hopefully tomorrow or the next day all the steel work will be done. We're trying to beat the weather. It's supposed to get to like -30 in a couple days, so that's ruthlessly cold. So yeah, that's gonna be my day. I'm gonna get this done, and we're gonna have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, it's wintry out here. Down to there about my truck now.